if you look at your guitar, you will see two dots. These two dots. The meaning of these two dots is that you are on the 12th fret. And this 12th fret is actually the beginning of this guitar again. That is our major secret today. And that means that everything you can play, this is your C. Everything you can play on this first fret, you can also play it on. So this is our C. So anything you can play here on this first fret, if you come to the 12th fret, you can play it in the same position and it will be right. So this is just the beginning of another guitar. So the next time you see these two dots, you know you are on the 12th fret and it is the repetition of the guitar. What is here is on the 12th fret. If you find this information very useful, please just give this video a like. It helps more learners to discover this lesson. So practically, we are going to do this. This is E without touching, and on the 12th fret, this is E. This is A, string 5, without touching, and on fret 12, this is A. This is D, this is D. This is G, this is G. This is B, this is B. This is E. You see, whatever we are playing here at the open string, you can find them here. So let's run the keys across without touching the open keys. Okay. See, they sound the same. Open. It's the same thing. So our fret 12 is very, very, very important. Very important. So this is as good as saying that this guitar is 2. Why? The first guitar runs from fret 1 to fret 11, and then the second guitar runs from fret 12 right to the end. So these are like 2 guitars. That is one information that we can use to summarize. So let's use this concept to demonstrate the key of C. This is our key of C. This is our key of C. But we're going to use these fingers rather to demonstrate it. This way. It's still the same thing, but we're just changing the position. Okay. This is C. C sharp. D. D sharp. E. This is F. F sharp. G. G sharp. A. A sharp. B, and then B, and then this is our C. So we are back to C here. So this is our C now. see? The same thing here. You can hear how it's sounding. This is C. The same thing. So when we look at the first three frets, we're having C, E, G, which is the triad of key of C. C, E, G. Now let's go down to fret 12 and C. Okay, this is our fret 12. And we're having C, E, G. C, E, G. The same way we have C, E, G. The same. When we look at the arrangement of F, we have F, A, C, F. F, A, C, F. This is on fret 1. Now let's go down to fret 12. This is the same thing. F, A, C, G. F, A, C, F. Sorry, not G. F, A, C, F. The same thing. Okay. Now let's look at our arrangement of the key of D on the same first fret. We have A, D, F sharp. A, D, F sharp. Now let's go down to fret 12 and see. We have A, D, F sharp. A, D, F sharp. It's the same thing. Now let's come here. We look at G, B, G, B, G. Or F here. G, B, G. Now let's go down to fret 12. G, B, G. Or the F here. The same thing. So that's what we mean by the guitar starts from fret 1 and goes down fret 7, 8, 9. By the time it reaches 10, 11, that is the end of one guitar. From fret 12 is like the beginning of, is a repetition of the guitar again. Is the repetition. So we have E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, look here. E, A, D, G, B, E. The same thing. So that's what we mean by the guitar gets repeated after the 12th fret. So if you know what happens on the first fret here, and you know the keys, it is the same thing what happens on the 12th fret with the keys, the same. So fret 1 and fret 12 are the same. Fret 2 and fret 13 are the same. Fret 3 and fret 14, they are the same. They share the same keys. And the easier way of knowing it, the fret 12, is to always look at. So when you are buying the guitar, check here. You will see the two dots. After counting from the 2 dots up, if they are not 12, please do not buy that guitar. Something is missing. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is complete.